शरीक है और लाज़माल है, सब मौत का शिकार है। वो देखता है तो मैं उसे.
Sie alle heute persönlich im Namen der TI World Students Association begrüßen zu dürfen, nach 2 Jahren Corona-Pandemie. Unser letztes Treffen war im Jahre 2019 gewesen. Ein besonderer Dank geht an die TI College World Students Delegation aus England, welche unserer Einladung mit 20 Gästen gefolgt sind.
हम सब में बलाल मोहतरम सदर साहिब और मोहतरम अमीर साहिब, मोहतरम सदर साहब साहिब, मोहतरम आप सब के बीच शुक्रगुजार हैं। इतने खुलूस, इतने मुकब्बल से आपने हमारा इस्तेमाल किया, इतना हमें वक्त दिया। यकीनन ये सब बरकत शराफत है। बात यह है कि हम सबको, जो हम सब मेहमान हैं, we should always remember those teachers who taught us. We should remember our parents who sent us to that college. Some of them they could not even afford, but our parents they sacrificed, and because of their prayers, because of their hard work, by the grace of Allah, we got education from that institution. एक बहुत पुरानी आपने सुनी होगी, बहुत पुरानी है, कि एक बूढ़ा आदमी, he was about one, an old man, he was about 100 years old, and he was planting a tree of fruit. So somebody, a passerby, he asked that old man that why you are planting this tree. He said, yes, because one day it will bear fruits. And he said, no, you are wasting time. By the time this plant will grow and it bear fruit, you will be gone, you will die. So you are wasting your time. He said, I'm not wasting my time. My forefathers, they planted trees for us. We had the fruit of that. Now this is my duty to plant trees, and forthcoming generations, they will have the fruit. So we should always try to think the sacrifices our parents they made. They had very little money, to be very honest. All those who have got education from that institution at least, the parents there, if you see their salary, it was in hundreds, which is like £5 per month, and they could manage everything. So we should always remember our parents who gave us this day, this beautiful day that we are here, and we are proud of that we must. In UK, by the grace of Allah and with the guidance of Hazrat Amir al-Mu'minin Sayyidullah Aziz, although our association is very small, it's 150, and about 50 of them, they are that then they can make their programs. So about 100 members we are, and Huzur, it is kindness of Huzur, who said only £2 per month. Take chanda from them. So it's £24 per year, and we are 100 those who give chanda. But some of them, they donate generously. They make more sacrifice. And in last 3 or 4 years, by the grace of Allah, we have built a college in Burkina Faso with the cost of about £50,000 and about 300 people, students they are studying. And in South Turkey we have, and apart from that we have, I think, inspired about 20 or 30 water wells, and the student have that is on top. Now can you imagine that 100 people paying 24 pounds, that makes 2400. But again, there are some people who realize this that yes, this is a noble cause. बहुत मेहनत से और खुलूस से इस एसोसिएशन को तरक्कियात की जारी लेके जाते हैं। मेरी दरख्वास्त है आपसे कि आप सपोर्ट करें और बच्चा की सोच करें। At the end, I'm thankful to respected Amir Said and from Sir Shabbat Salam or for such a easy effort. So please remember us in your prayers. At least today you give us. Wherever I have seen the Lisa, I have seen him smile. Even a smile. So we said you have to tell us the secret of this beautiful smile. Jazakallah khairan.
One among the students was present there. The chief prefect there, or chief prefect, after that his life is gone. That what is still in hospital. उन्होंने मुझे कहा था कि मेरे सारे उन्होंने आज निज़म भी पढ़ बल्कि एक नज़म भेजी भी है और सदर साहब ने टाइम की वजह से उसका मौका नहीं दिया, वरना उन्होंने इस मौके पर नज़म भी वो सब को सवाल कर रहे थे। आप सब जानते हैं, सिर्फ एक कमेंट सदर साहब ने मुनासिब समझा के ये association should be introduced to Amir Saab. That's why he asked me to say something in German. But I tell you, Amir Saab knows all the activities and he is very well versed in what we are doing. So it's not a new thing for us to be here. I think our friends who have come from England, they know that in the last time they came, he was the one who opened the ceremony. So he knows very well what's happening and what is doing. The last I want to say is that the government of Pakistan and the majority of the people are going with the community, his children included. So in this situation, it's very, and you know how kind he was. He once said he has reared the college like his own children. One of the wishes of Khalifatul Masih was that we shall also associate our children so that they also know what sort of planet we have.
Chaudhry Abdul Manan Chaudhry
नाम बोलते जाओ।
अब्दुल रज़ाक साहब, राना अब्दुल रज़ाक साहब, उनके बाद हैं बताउल कादिर ताहिर साहब,
नाम बोलते जाओ ताकि टाइम।
मिर्ज़ा अब्दुल बादशाह साहब, मिर्ज़ा अब्दुल बादशाह के बाद हैं ज़ियाउल हक कुरैशी साहब, ज़ियाउल हक कुरैशी साहब है। उसके बाद आसिफ अली परवेज़ साहब,
माइक दे कोल रख।
आसिफ अली परवेज़ साहब, के बाद आसिफ अली परवेज़ साहब, मुज़फ़्फ़र अहमद चट्टा साहब, आमिर अहमद खालिद साहब, उसके बाद खालिद महमूद साहब, आमिर अहमद खालिद साहब और खालिद महमूद साहब, अजीज़ अहमद ताहिर साहब हैं, और उनके बाद अजीज़ अहमद ताहिर साहब के बाद राना इरफान शहजाद, इसके बाद मीर शफीक महमूद ताहिर साहब, नासिर अहमद फजल साहब, इसहाक खालिद साहब, इसहाक खालिद साहब के बाद है हमारे आज के बेस्ट खिलाड़ी जो हैं इनाम कुरैशी साहब। फिर सब इनाम कुरैशी साहब हैं, ये आज के बेस्ट खिलाड़ी हैं बास्केटबॉल में। राना नासिर अहमद साहब, आगा हबीबुल्लाह साहब आखिर में है, लेकिन उनका नाम आखिर में आ गया है, वो आखिर में नहीं है बल्कि शामिल है। आगा हबीबुल्लाह साहब,
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. I'm very pleased to be again in this auspicious gathering. And it is rare for me to say that I'm in a gathering with elderly people. Because mostly I'm one of the oldest there. And it is a very good situation to be a young man amongst you. And when I talked with some of you, I came to know that you have gone Holland. Holland, you have gone to 80, 84, 85, 86. MashaAllah, keeping yourself in good position. Alhamdulillah, I'm very grateful too to the delegation from UK, because 20% of the members have come over here. It's a high, percentage. And I would like to take it as a challenge, and you're invited to the UK to take it up and at least come as well with 20%. I've heard that you have about 200 registered members. Yes. So keep in mind you have to go with 40. And you need a comfortable seating arrangement or something like this. But anyhow. Even I found it very interesting that in this gathering, celebrating being part of a very auspicious school, an institute which has helped a lot to improve the academic development of the Jamaat. I think it was a breakthrough and it has set standards. And now already the fruits are being seen when we see our children, how they are moving forward, and how they are getting expertise in all the fields. And it is a sign that now we have listened in one of the last college, high school, from your association. And sometimes my mistakes, all the addresses are being disclosed, and I see a long list. I don't know how many, and I'm always afraid of hopefully all this 300 or 400 or something, I think it will be 600 addresses, will not be disclosed and somebody makes a joke out of it. But it means, it shows that there's a strong organization
जाए की तरफ क्या बात है। अच्छा है। क्या